All right, taking apart our center link, I've already begun unscrewing the cap, and I'm probably gonna do this obviously without the camera rolling because it's gonna go fucking flying because it's got springs on it. But I'll get that apart. Actually, Scotty,
sir,
be my camera whore.
if I must.
If you must. Ben's here hanging out. Ben, say what's up.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, it is still morning.
It's still morning. It's only like 11.
Yeah, Scotty's been here since sunup.
6:30, and actually it was still dark.
Yeah. Hey, how about you come hold this camera already?
Already did my grocery shopping for the week for work.
Man, look at you.
Laundry's in the wash, ready to get changed over. Don't want to go back to bed.
All right, Mr. Muskrat.
So,
Oh, you brought me the...
there's the original pieces. Well, what's left of them.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
I
So
can-
this is a nice step up.
Yeah, so here, take over that. I'm going to pull this, and it's got springs on it, so I know it's going to go flying, so that's why I'm, like, terrified.
Boing!
Fucking asshole. Okay, it might not boing, but, you know, okay. Well, I was worried for nothing.
One of the springs broke.
You, there's your ball, stud. I gotta get in there and pull that boing boing out. Ugh, come on, baby. Oop. Ding fries are done.
Ding fries are done.
Out that goes.
Man, you're just breaking every...
I'm just launching it out. Those go on the end of the ball. There's
Okay,
our
so
springs.
we go spring, right?
Yeah.
Or was it spring?
It goes like this.
Because that's got a cap.
This goes on the end.
Okay, so I'll scrub this shit up real
And
quick.
this goes in. Like, we have new springs, but
Right.
we got to use these ball caps. But the rest of the stuff's all the same. See, they actually sent us 2 kits. I don't know why, but they sent us 2 kits. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
You want to take this and clean all the schmutz out of
Right,
it
so,
too?
no, it's schmegma.
Schmegma,
Schmegma.
schmegma,
Right, you film.
and schmutz, schmutz and schmegma,
I think I dated her.
schmutz and schmegma. That's herpes and syphilis.
Well, what about gonorrhea-syphilades?
Got a herpes syphilades?
Yeah.
That's what I had a couple weeks ago in my throat.
That's in your throat?
Yeah.
How'd you get gonorrhea syphilis in
I
your
don't
throat?
know.
What are you doing in truck stops, man?
He took
Hey.
a shot of penicillin and it all went away.
$100 is $100.
Oh my god. All right,
Lunch is getting expensive.
I know, right?
so we got these here components. There's our boing boings. Oh, come on, bitch. There's that. This stuff's scuzzy. So basically those are the new ones of these. Pretty much straightforward. You huh? A little nasty?
Been in there for a little while, huh?
Yeah, since like 1956.
Dude, that was like last week.
Right? Alright. There's that. Good to go. Okay, quick and easy assemble. New end, new boing boing. In. I don't know if we needed the audio, but thanks anyway, Scotty. Like this. Just put that in. Put our ball in. Ball stud, not ball gag. That's later.
But notice the gay guy didn't say shit. It was the straight man that said something about a ball gag. Mm-hmm. Just saying.
Hey. It's all good fun and games. It's good, clean fun.
So are butt plugs until somebody farts and shoots a cat.
I looked at Ben. We were both trying to hold that shit in. Nope. Nope. Done. All right. So, for my next trick.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Good job, Scotty. Look. Jesus Christ.
Clean the tip
I
before
gotta
you
wipe the
put it
tip
in.
before I put it in.
I
Sorry.
mean, come on. You had shit on it. Or was that with a P?
Piece of corn. Oh God.
And then you wonder why we get along so well.
Because we're constantly inappropriate.
We are not in, well, it depends. Inappropriate for you is perfectly fine for me and vice versa.
I'm gonna go one more just for fun. And there we are. Done. Just gotta lube it up, put the thing in, lube it up.
If you lubber, luber.
Lube it up and stick her in. Look at that. Done. Ooh. See, because this guy won't fit.
Yeah.
It's two. Because these are for power. And that's what I figured out. They send you 2 power kits to redo a manual. But look at that. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
But we're going to
Now,
stick this over. Look at, see? The condom doesn't quite cover. See?
I'm thinking if we cut here, because the metal's not going to be able to, it's going to catch on the,
So,
nope, put this down first, then put
and
the
then
rubber over it.
Yeah, we can do that. It's like double bagging it.
Yeah.
That's when she's really ugly.
No, that's when you put a flag over her face and fuck her for old glory.
Oh my God. So look, I can actually do that right now.
Yeah, but the only problem is, now look at what you're going to hit when you...
Where's my Zerk? Yep, fuck that.
We have to cut the metal off.
Yep, we have to do it with like the old one.
Yep.
Okay, well, that's that at least, so that's ready. Oh, and we need to reuse this Zerk. Whatever that is blew away. We have to clean this and reuse this because the ones they sent us are too big.
Oh, man.
But I'm going to pin this right now. There you go. You can go pair of pliers or something. But it's in the hole. You see it's in the hole. It's in the hole. There we go. I'll get it. Scotty, I'll get it. Use your hand. Fool. There we go. Ben's chased the paperwork that flew away with the wind.
Oh, thank you, sir.
All right. So, Scotty, classic wiring. Do your thing, and away we go.
Yeah.
Done.